Discord is giving out another Orbs quests which will make up over 10,000 Orbs. But only 4.6% of you have subscribed to me, so make sure to subscribe if you're watching. There's a new quest, but you will require to enable VPN and turn on the US location. After that, refresh your page. Only then can you see the new quest. This quest gives out 200 Orbs. It's a 29 seconds watch, so make sure to do it on time. While claiming the Orbs, turn off your VPN first, otherwise, you will need to solve CAPTCHA. There are other active quests too. They will expire on the first week of March, so make sure to do them on time. Above 10 active quests, they will give around 10k Orbs in total. I have made videos on them, so kindly check them out. With this much Orbs, you can get Nitro from the Orbs shop easily. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.